Hello, and welcome to another Love, Language, and More tutorial with your hosts Vlad and Jason. Today we're going to discuss Solvr. The great thing about Solvr is its sheer simplicity. Solvr is a clean and easy to use discussion forum and problem-solving tool for individual or group use, which makes it an ideal tool for use in the classroom. Why don't we go to how to use Solvr to first have a quick look at just how to use the program. As you can see at the top here, Solvr works when you first enter a problem. Following that, you need to enter an idea that might solve the problem. Now, of course, some ideas do lead to new problems. Hopefully they're a little smaller. And of course, when a problem is solved, the tree turns green. Now, a problem is considered solved when you found an idea that doesn't actually lead to any new problems. So why don't we show you how to use it? Let's go back to the home page and enter in our first problem. For our purposes today, we'll ask the question, how can we get male students more involved and engaged in language learning classes? At the top of Solvr, you can see the question is written out for us as the problem, and below the problem you can see Add Entry. You just click on this plus sign and an idea will pop up. You can choose idea, problem, or comment, and you can continue from there. For our purposes, we'll use idea, of course. Now, our first idea is maybe we can discuss more male-focused topics. So we're going to enter in this, and then maybe we'll create some more ideas that will help eliminate future problems. Let's get specific. Maybe cars. Maybe girls. Maybe we could talk about sports or movies. Basically, we could generate a list all day. But let's move on. Perhaps we've encountered a smaller problem here. Not everyone shares the same interests, right? Alright, so now we have a problem. We need to generate an idea to try and fix this. Maybe we could create focused classes to have those students who are interested in specific topics go to just those specific classes. Maybe they could go to English lessons with automotive-centric discussions, or English lessons and creative writing classes, English lessons and movie criticism, English lessons and sports. Again, the list could go on and on. By providing students with lessons focused on one theme or idea, we hope to attract a target group of students who finds this specific topic interesting. As a result, we can expect the group to remain interested and engaged throughout the period of the class. But what if we get another problem? Let's say one of the students gets bored with just English and cars alone. Now we're going to need another idea. So perhaps we could say, let's make it English and cars and travel. So now we've created a solution through this idea. We've added one more aspect to the focused class, English and cars. We've incorporated the idea of travel. So what we've done here is we've created a mixed themed class. So if the student loses interest in just cars alone, maybe he can focus more on the aspect of traveling in a car. Now, the great thing about Solvr is it can be made into a public forum, so the students you're expecting to enjoy these themed classes are then encouraged to share their thoughts by inviting them to the forum. Let's say a teacher wants feedback from his students. How did you enjoy today's lesson? Do you have any questions about the course syllabus? What would you recommend we change about the class? Essentially, the students can participate ad nauseum. As you can see, our original problem is green, and the comments below continue in gray. We hope you found our Solvr tutorial informative today, and that you find new and exciting ways to use it in your classroom.